1969 Volkswagen Custom. Price, $12,500. Location, Sevierville, Tennessee. This 1969 Volkswagen Custom is a unique, head-turning street machine that combines classic VW simplicity with extensive custom modifications for a bold appearance and enjoyable driving experience. Powered by a reliable 1,600 cubic centimeters dual-port engine equipped with dual Weber carburetors, it delivers improved throttle response and performance over a standard setup. A custom exhaust system enhances both power delivery and the unmistakable air-cooled Volkswagen sound that enthusiasts love. One of the most striking features is the extended front-end design, giving the vehicle a dramatic hot rod-inspired stance that sets it apart from ordinary Volkswagen builds. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. 1980s Dr. Pepper Indy Go-Kart. Price, $1,700. Location, Leland, North Carolina. This fully restored 1980s Dr. Pepper Indy Go-Kart is a rare and highly collectible piece of motorsports memorabilia that captures the excitement and styling of Indy car racing in a compact, fun-to-drive package. Originally produced as a promotional and recreational kart inspired by Indy race cars, it has undergone an extensive restoration and is now equipped with numerous new components to ensure excellent performance and reliability. Power comes from a brand new 79 cubic centimeters Predator engine paired with a new clutch, delivering dependable operation and spirited acceleration for recreational driving. The restoration also includes new tires, wheel bearings, brakes, floor pan, seat, and a quick-release steering wheel that makes entry and exit significantly easier while adding a race-inspired touch. Dune Buddy 4-seater Dune Buggy. Price, $10,000. Location, Bud Lake, New Jersey. This Dune Buddy 4-seater Dune Buggy is a versatile, street-legal recreational vehicle built for open-air fun both on and off the pavement. Registered as a 4-seater, it offers enough room for family and friends while maintaining the lightweight, adventurous character that makes Dune Buggies so popular. Recently refreshed with new paint, the Buggy presents well and is highlighted by its rugged styling and unique presence wherever it goes. Unlike many off-road-only builds, this example is registered for street use, giving owners the freedom to enjoy it on local roads, beach communities, cruise events, and recreational outings. The Buggy has been upgraded with cloth bucket seats for improved comfort and includes an audio system with speakers for added entertainment during drives. Custom Hot Rod Wagon. Price, $650. Location, San Diego, California.
Beep, 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 beep.
This one-of-a-kind custom hot rod wagon is a handcrafted showpiece that perfectly captures the creativity and fun-loving spirit of hot rod culture. Built from a polished aluminum semi-truck diesel fuel tank and mounted on a fully custom fabricated chassis, This unique creation is far more than an ordinary wagon. It is a rolling work of automotive art. Recently showcased at major events including LS Fest West and local cruise nights, it attracted attention from enthusiasts and spectators alike, proving its ability to stand out even among full-size custom vehicles. The wagon features a beautifully polished aluminum body, custom leather-upholstered interior, hidden storage compartment behind the seatback, and a heavy-duty welded frame built for durability. 1966 Volkswagen Beetle Cowlook. Price: $18,000. Mileage: 800 miles. Location: Crofton, Maryland. This 1966 Volkswagen Beetle Cowlook is a freshly built custom classic that showcases one of the most recognizable styles in the air-cooled Volkswagen world. Finished in an eye-catching turquoise exterior paired with a tan interior, the car captures the clean, minimalist appearance that made the Cowlook movement famous among VW enthusiasts. With only 800 miles since completion, this Beetle presents as a recently finished build designed to deliver both reliability and classic cruising enjoyment. Power comes from a 1,600 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine equipped with dual Weber carburetors, a popular performance upgrade that improves airflow, throttle response, and overall engine efficiency. 1965 Ford Shelby Cobra Factory 5 2 Malawian Kwaches. Price: $55,000. Mileage: 14,552 miles. Location: Alexander City, Alabama. This 1965 Ford Shelby Cobra Factory 5 2 Malawian Kwaches is a professionally built high-performance roadster that captures the legendary appearance and thrilling driving dynamics of the iconic Cobra while incorporating modern engineering and reliability. Built by Factory 5 Racing in 2003 and titled as a 1965 model, this roadster combines timeless sports car styling with a powerful and proven drivetrain package. Finished in classic white with a black interior, it delivers the aggressive stance and unmistakable presence that have made Cobra-inspired cars some of the most admired performance vehicles ever produced. Power comes from a Ford 302 small block V8 equipped with trick-flow fuel injection, providing strong horsepower, crisp throttle response, and dependable street manners. Porsche 914 Powered Dune Buggy. Price: $16,000. Location: Flowery Branch, Georgia. This Porsche 914 Powered Dune Buggy is a professionally rebuilt, lightweight performance machine that combines classic Volkswagen simplicity with the superior power and engineering of a Porsche Type 4 engine. Registered as a 1973 Volkswagen and rebuilt down to the pan with zero rust, this buggy has been meticulously maintained and always stored indoors. Its most impressive feature is the Porsche 914 2.0-liter Type 4 power plant, converted to Type 1 cooling and enhanced with premium components for improved durability, cooling efficiency, and high RPM performance. Unlike a typical air-cooled Volkswagen engine that prefers operating below 4,500 revolutions per minute, this upgraded Porsche engine comfortably revs to 5,600 revolutions per minute, delivering significantly stronger performance and a much broader power band. The engine features dual Delorto 40 carburetors, full-flow oiling, an external oil filter, oil cooler, and a premium DTM cooling shroud system, creating a highly reliable setup capable of producing approximately 115 horsepower and 125 lb-ft of torque on pump gas. With the Buggy weighing only around 1,250 pounds, the power-to-weight ratio delivers exhilarating acceleration and an exciting driving experience that far exceeds most traditional Volkswagen-based buggies. 1963 Volkswagen Beetle Ragtop. Price: $7,500. Mileage: 1,000 miles. Location: Chattanooga, Tennessee. This 1963 Volkswagen Beetle Ragtop is a charming air-cooled classic that combines vintage Volkswagen character with tasteful upgrades and exceptional value. Finished in gray with a burgundy interior, this iconic Beetle features the highly desirable factory-style ragtop roof, adding an extra level of open-air driving enjoyment and classic appeal. Recently fitted with a brand-new 1,641 cubic centimeters engine, showing only about 50 miles, the car offers fresh mechanical confidence while retaining the unmistakable sound and personality that made the Beetle famous around the world. The manual transmission delivers the engaging driving experience enthusiasts expect, while the lightweight chassis and newly built engine make this Beetle a fun and responsive cruiser. 1956 Porsche 356 Replica. Price: $35,500. Mileage: 1,250 miles. Location: Greenville, South Carolina. This professionally built 1956 Porsche 356 Replica is a stunning tribute to one of the most iconic sports cars ever produced, combining timeless German styling with modern reliability and upgraded performance. Constructed in California by Coachworks, this meticulously crafted replica captures the elegant curves and unmistakable character of the legendary Porsche 356 while offering a more accessible ownership experience. Finished in vibrant red over a black interior, the car presents a striking appearance that turns heads wherever it goes. Showing just 1,250 miles, this example has been lightly driven and carefully maintained. Power comes from a highly upgraded engine featuring numerous performance enhancements, creating a responsive and enjoyable driving experience.